to cover reviewing the responses directly after the assessment is completed. And for this use case, as a company administrator, the role I'm using today, I'm looking at NIST-CSF 2.0 2025. I'll navigate to my responses tab at the top. And as I look at my responses tab, I can sort by response score. I can also take a look at a search function, let's say a risk. For example, if we see risk management objectives, organizational mission, and so on. And let's start with the first one, organizational mission. And I will validate this. So I'll select the three dots on the far right, select validate. And here we have uninformed efforts, or maybe I've observed that there is partial alignment. And I know this through some of our training documentation, so I will indicate this. So I'll write a note that's addressing the documentation and the evidence related to the training log. So I'll navigate and look for my training log on my OneDrive and ensure that I connect that to the appropriate file. And so I'll connect to my employee training log, select, add that file, and then I will save. And now my response is completed. And so I will have now completed that particular validation. And I can also go on to the next one. Here is another example where I could use the training log again regarding awareness. So if I'd like to replicate that, I can do so. But for this particular training session, this is the process of identifying responses that perhaps need more validation. I can look at my current score and sort on my current score as well, and do additional validation, create a risk or a task on this page. So responses is the tab where you can conduct validation, or review responses, look for anomalies between users, and ensure that the data you've gathered is correct and is ready for final reporting, which will follow in additional training videos. Thank you.